Introducing the DURAVIN Plus system by Winefit. The DURAVIN Plus range consists of a sparkling wine preserver, a still wine preserver and a combination system designed to give you maximum yield from your open, sparkling and still wine, as well as giving you the peace of mind that your patrons are getting a perfect glass of wine every time. Once a wine bottle opens, the wine begins the oxidation process, which can limit vendors as to what they serve by the glass. This becomes a more prominent issue when trying to sell sparkling wine and champagne by the glass. For sparkling wines, the DuraPearl system replaces atmosphere with CO2, replenishing bubbles and keeping the wine fresh. A cap with a non-return valve is inserted into the bottle and acts as a hermetic seal. The cap therefore keeps the CO2 under pressure inside the bottle and allows the pearlage of the wine to be maintained for a long time. The DURAVIN Plus range also has a combination system for both still and sparkling wine, the DURAVIN COMBI. The ability to preserve both still and sparkling wine in one system allows you to save money on all white, red and sparkling wines, ensuring a fresh glass every time. A still-only wine preservation system is also available, called DURAVAC. The DURAVIN Plus range offers the ability to present a perfect glass of wine and champagne every time by perfectly preserving sparkling and still wine for a minimum of 2 weeks, delivering a cost and waste-saving solution for any business.